Alright, my bike's been in the back of my truck all day. It's been snowing. Started off with some like freezing rain. But yeah, it's currently snowing right now. It's actually a little warmer than it has been. But yep. Alright, another ride. Friday. February 5th? Or 6th. Might be the 6th. Whatever. Alright. Getting ready to do it. Alright. Currently snowing. A little snow covered. It's actually kind of hanging in my face. But yeah, I'm gonna complain a minute. I'm sick and tired of this weather already. Oh, don't fall. Completely snow-covered street. Let's go. It'll be fun. But yeah, it was fun for a minute. It was fun for a month. Now we're going on to 2 months. It's just not stopping. I am over this weather. I'm done with it. It can go somewhere. It freaking sucks. We have fun with it when we can. But yeah, I'm just kind of over it. Alright. So we're gonna ride. Peace. We'll see you in a few. Oh look, there's a bike rack for us. So it's really kind of picked up a little bit here. To be told, I would rather ride in this than just cold and shitty roads. But I don't know. So ready for winter to be over. Catching draft. Side wind is a bitch. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, we're not stopping. Alright, cool. That was like actually pretty terrifying right there. Woo! Headwind. The update. Stopped snowing. Temperature has dropped. And now there is some like gale force winds. It's wild. Alright. We're struggling out here. But not too far of a ride back. It's a crosswind. So there's that. And yeah. Just straight muck slop. But we'll get through it. So why is it when the wind's to our back it dies, but when you're riding into it, it's gale force? Cycling is amazing. I love it. It's definitely been a rough ride. One of the most fun rides though. What do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef. Alright. I'm gonna get historical here for a minute. Not sure if you can see me. Random car backing up through an intersection. But Blizzard 78. Everyone talks about it. Worst winter ever. 10 to 15 inches, or I'm sorry, maybe 8 to 15 inches fell in the blizzard 78. We just had in January 15th 20 inches, and then fast forward to the 30th, another 20 inches. So blizzard 78 is what it is. It was historical. Equipment wasn't as good. Can't deal with the snow as well as we can, but still, this year has been brutal. I think it's one of the longest stretches of temperatures below freezing. Some of the most snowfall recorded. It's just been brutal. And we've been out here doing it. Ooh. Got squirrely, but alright, we'll put this away so I can get where I'm going. I can see my truck from here, so we'll catch you on the next ride. Take it easy, stay warm, and get out there.